Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook orange egg in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event for the Easter event. And in this event, you can get the new recipe or unlock new recipe from the original egg recipe. And in here, I will show you how to unlock the orange egg recipe. First, just go to your stove and then just choose egg recipe like this, and after that you need to complete the ingredients. You need eggs, and then in here, to make a orange egg recipe, just change the milk with the apple like this, and then next just step on start cooking like this. And then you will unlock the orange egg like this, orange egg recipe, and it will add it to your food recipes. This one, you will unlock this recipe. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.